Samsung is getting ready to launch its next foldable phone, the Galaxy Z Fold 7, and from what we're hearing, it could be a huge step forward. If you've been waiting for a big change in foldable phones, this might finally be it. Let's take a look at what's expected. For years, Samsung's Fold series has been slowly improving, making the phone slimmer, the hinge stronger, and the screen better. But the Galaxy Z Fold 7 might not be just another small upgrade. This time, Samsung could be making some major changes. A trusted leaker named at Thegalux_ recently shared a bunch of new details about the Fold 7. While nothing is official yet, these leaks have caught a lot of attention and seem pretty reliable. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is likely to come with One UI 8 already installed. This is Samsung's latest software, and it's supposed to work even better with foldable phones. That means smoother animations, better multitasking, and apps that adjust perfectly when you switch between the outer and inner screens. It'll feel faster and more polished right out of the box. Now let's talk about the hardware, and this is where things get really exciting. One of the biggest upgrades might be the camera. Rumors say the Fold 7 will have a new 200MP main camera. That's a big jump and could put this phone on the same level as Samsung's top camera phones. Even the under-display camera, UVC, the one hidden under the foldable screen, is expected to improve, offering clearer photos while staying out of sight. Samsung is also working on making the foldable screen stronger and more durable. The new display might have better layers to protect it from scratches and reduce wear over time. And yes, Samsung is trying to make that visible crease in the middle much less noticeable. Great news for people who like watching videos or working on the main screen. The size is getting an upgrade too. The outer screen could grow to 6.5 inches and the inner foldable display might go up to 8 inches. That means more room to do things like multitask, read, or watch content comfortably. Even with bigger screens, the Fold 7 might actually become thinner. Some reports say it will be just 4.5mm thick when unfolded. That's slimmer than last year's Fold 6, which was 5.6mm. This change could make the phone feel lighter and easier to hold. Samsung is also expected to boost the phone's water and dust resistance. That means the Fold 7 should be better at handling splashes in dusty environments, giving users a bit more confidence to use it outdoors. Inside the phone, Samsung will probably use the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, also called the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy. This is their most powerful processor yet and should make everything run faster, whether you're playing games, editing videos, or just browsing the web. To help keep the phone cool, it's rumored to include a larger vapor chamber. This cooling system helps prevent overheating during long gaming or multitasking sessions. Another upgrade could be in the vibration motor, which would improve how the phone feels when you tap or get notifications. Samsung is also working on better speakers, so videos, games, and calls will sound louder and clearer. Samsung might also offer a new S Pen for the Fold 7. It could be redesigned, but some features might be missing, like the Bluetooth connection and air actions, which let you use the pen to control things from a distance, might not be available this time. Still, writing and drawing with the S Pen should work just fine. All these changes show that Samsung is aiming to take foldables to the next level. From a stronger camera and display to a faster chip and slimmer design, the Fold 7 might be the upgrade fans have been waiting for. Samsung is expected to reveal the Galaxy Z Fold 7 along with the Galaxy Z Flip 7 at their Unpacked event this summer. And if the leaks are true, this phone could become the new gold standard for foldable devices, not just for Samsung, but for the entire market. So if you've been thinking about switching to a foldable phone, you might want to hold on just a little longer. The future of foldables is looking better than ever. Stay tuned for more updates.